What's going on YouTube? T Torres back here for another video. So today is a rather exciting video. This exhaust has got to go. It's like way too loud. It's getting overbearing. So as you can see, I have a new exhaust right here. Comment down below before I unbox it if you know what kind of exhaust it is. Pretty sure you don't. But anyways, yeah, so today's video we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox this exhaust, and then in the very next video we're gonna be installing the exhaust. So this is gonna be a two-part video, one unboxing and two installing. All right, here we go. Let's unbox this thing. Well,
come on, bub.
yes. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. Take a look at that. Oh yeah. All right, so there's one piece to the puzzle. Nice. Super excited. Another piece that connects to the cat. No need to actually unbox that one just yet. Alrighty. Alright, so if you don't know by now, big shout out to Thermal R&D Exhaust, the ones that sent this out. One of my favorite parts about this exhaust is gonna have to be the actual muffler tip itself. We no longer have an HDMI port that looks like that. Another piece. I'm gonna lay this all out here in just a minute. And some brackets for the back. Here's my favorite part. Let's go ahead and get this nicely unboxed. This is my favorite part about this. Damn. Take a look at that. So like I mentioned, this is my absolute favorite part. Take a look at this. Nice thermal R&D etching on the actual exhaust tip, and it's chrome. So just to give you guys kind of a look, yeah, I'm excited to get rid of this nasty black tip. So this is the actual chrome piece that we're going to be putting on there. I like how they split it like that. Still kind of HDMI portish, but this, I don't know, I'm excited to see what this is going to look like. And then also we have some of the couplers and the flanges within here. And then you get these cool little bracket pieces. These actually go on the end of this tank right here. So you see these bars right here. These are actually going to be mounted up into here, like the hangers or so. I don't know. We're gonna have to figure it all out. But yeah, I'm gonna lay this entire exhaust out and give you guys an exact view of what it all looks like. But once again, big shout out to Thermal R&D for sending this exhaust out to me. I'm super excited to get rid of my straight pipe SI, and looking forward to seeing what this exhaust is going to sound like on my car. So here's what the exhaust looks like as it's laid out. I know it's kind of hard to picture, but yeah, this is exactly what it looks like. Let me cut this light on over here real quick. So yeah, I am super stoked to get this exhaust put on. It's just gonna have to wait till later on this week. And this is definitely now gonna go on the back of the car. So also with this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some normal driving clips of what my straight piped exhaust sounds like now. And then of course, once we get the exhaust on, I'll do some more driving clips on what the thermal R&D exhaust sounds like. So I just wanted to make this a quick unboxing video just to show you guys what the thermal R&D exhaust looks like. So once again, big shout out to these guys for sending this exhaust out. Give you guys a once more little walkthrough of what it looks like. Super excited to get rid of my straight pipe car, or my my straight pipe exhaust, and to put this on. So make sure if you're stopping to the channel for the first time, you turn on your post notifications. Be sure to leave this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video when we will be actually installing this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace. All right, what's going on, guys? So just to give you guys a little update on the thermal R&D exhaust, it's not gonna butt up quite how I want it to be because I have the pure oil down pipe, and the pipe that they have doesn't line up right because the pipe that they have meets the factory catalytic converter that comes down off the turbo. So I think something special is gonna have to be made and ordered for this. So I'm still in kind of works for that. So I was kind of bummed out that I didn't get to install the exhaust, but I'm not going to make it be a a showstopper. The exhaust is still going to get on. It's just we may have to switch out some parts, but definitely my PRL front pipe and down pipe are going to stay. We just may have to make some modifications to the actual thermal exhaust. So if you made it this far in the video, thank you guys so much for watching, and also thank you so much for supporting my channel. Peace.
It's rap packed to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling.